Hello, and welcome to this episode of BlackBerry 10 Jam Unplugged. In this series, we will take a delightful journey, taking a look at what's possible in the BlackBerry 10 SDKs both today and tomorrow. Today, we'll be joined by Erik Johnson, who is one of the developers on the WebWorks SDK team. Erik is here to talk to us today about Cordova. Erik is a wonderful man. He loves his cat Marmalade. And in his spare time, he does enjoy both knitting and crocheting doilies. Erik, can you tell us a little bit about what this Cordova is? I used to own a 1975 Chrysler Cordoba. Is there any relationship?
Not entirely. The Cordoba is, well, it's a car. So what we're...
That is a slight difference.
Just a small one. So Cordova is our set of tools that are going to help you build cross-platform applications in JavaScript and web technologies for BlackBerry 10.
Very interesting. And is this technology used elsewhere, or is this some fancy thing that we've created?
No, this is an industry standard. So right now what we're doing is moving to support what's already out there in the industry. So I'm not sure if you've ever heard of the PhoneGap project.
I have.
Yeah, so Cordova is the open source version of that. It was originally developed by Toby way back a couple of years. I think it started in 2007. What we're doing with Cordova is trying to give it first-class support on the platform. So when you develop for BB10 and use Cordova, everything is going to be working and perfect for you.
So I understand that this is coming and becoming available as part of the platform in an upcoming SDK release. And I'm quite concerned. I have fears. What's going to happen to all the WebWorks applications that are already on the platform?
None of them are going to break. We're going to make sure things continue to work flawlessly going forward. So every app that's been developed and already shipped will continue to work on those platforms that have been already released.
Oh, fantastic. That puts my mind much more at ease. I was really shaking there a little bit before. Could you maybe tell us a little bit more about some of the advantages? What does this do to help developers on BlackBerry 10?
Sure. So the first thing you're going to get is cross-platform. You're going to be able to use Cordova across any platform. So right now it's supported on Android, iOS, and BlackBerry 10. So by us embracing Cordova, you're going to be able to build one app in BlackBerry 10 and then apply it to other devices.
Now I know we provide different tools for web developers and you download our SDK. Are there any changes that might happen in around this side and what Cordova offers for tooling?
Yeah, so with Cordova, your tool set's now going to be standardized. So there aren't going to be necessarily BlackBerry specific tools anymore, but it's going to be the same ones you'd use on Android or iOS. There's going to be benefits to this. So imagine someone wants to create tooling on top of Cordova. That's going to work for both BlackBerry and the other platforms.
Okay, that's very good. Now, you're a clean-shaven fellow. I've just really been wondering, it's been on my mind, what are your views on whether or not facial hair should each have its own individual name?
Probably not. I mean, for myself, it wouldn't be that big of a problem, but for others, that would be a lot of naming to do.
Yes, I have a hard time remembering names, and I would have plenty of names on my face. Well, thank you, Erik, and it was very, very informative learning your views on Cordova and facial hair. Well, thank you, everybody, for joining us today. It's been a wonderful journey, learning both about cars, technology, grooming techniques, and I encourage you to join us next time on our next video where we explore the BlackBerry 10 SDK. And remember, if you see a chicken with purple feet, he probably has bad circulation.